Now, with Kingston College making it known that they want to capture both the Manning Cup as well as the Boys Champs title in their centenary year, the early banter has started with one rival school looking to upset the North Street School's anniversary plans. With the Manning Cup title already in their trophy cabinet, KC will actually be looking to defend their Boys Champs title and making it fourth straight in March. But the recent KC streak, well, before that, there was Calabar High's run of 7 straight titles from 2012 through to 2018. Now, the McKinley Winter Track Classic was held over the weekend at Calabar High, where the successful 10th staging of that meet. Meet manager and longtime Calabar track team supporter Andrew Hardware says they've taken note of KC's ambitious plans and will be looking to spoil their champs' title defense this year.
We enjoyed the 7 years. We really did. Now we're in a different season where we're building our program, and so we're looking forward. I hear good things about the team this year. And so, yes, we've been staying pretty close to Corey and his team of coaches. So hopefully there's a lot of excitement about the 100 year for the school down North Street, but you know, there might be some spoilers coming up.
Now, Kingston College began their centenary celebrations at the weekend with their inaugural 5K run walk. With the event hailed a success, race director and KC Old Boy Alfred Francis had some words for those looking to spoil their Manning Cup
I
Boys
understand
Champs
that the
title
sentiment is out there to spoil our 100th anniversary champs victory. And I know that whisper is getting louder and louder. But guess what it does? It does up the ante. It makes champs even more fun. It makes that rivalry even more fun. And we'll get even more pleasure coming out victorious on that day.
Now, the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships will be held from March 25 to 29 at the National Stadium.